So this is my old crapped out quick release vise. Tends to stick on me quite a bit. So we're gonna bust this thing apart, see what issues I'm having with it. There's a plate underneath the workbench here that keeps falling off. We're gonna see if we can get that corrected. There's some play in this drive right here. See if we can't get that corrected. But we're gonna see about getting this thing off of here and see what we can do about this. Alright, so you can see right here how much play there is in this. This thing keeps falling off. I mean, it's just really giving me fits. So I need to see if there's something I can do to solve that. Alright, so what it looks like is I'm going to need to do something to shim this plate right here behind this drive pin. And then I need to shim this hub right here to keep it held out so that it'll register that plate further back. So when it pushes in, there's enough clearance there for this thing to come loose on me like that. And that's what's been causing me issues. So we're going to start by figuring out a way to get something in there that'll stay in there and keep that shimmed out. I got this cheapo assortment of retaining rings, Harbor Freight Special. So let's get a measurement, if we can, on that shaft right there. I got a red one under 1 inch. And I have 1 inch retention rings. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to drive this pen out, and I've got a retaining ring right here that's got to go. And then I can slip this entire drive screw out. And then I'll reassemble it after putting something here to shim that. Gonna take a little bit of acetone. I got a little bit left in this can, and that should eat up any grease that's on here. New can. actually. I rather like the way this can stores it, so alright, so one spacer instead of two this time. Alright, so there's still some play in it, but it's not out far enough for that thing to slip over, even if you try to force it. So, alright, so I'm going to give this stuff a shot. I've used it on a lock. It's works. So alright, so it's not falling off the track like it was, so it's still moving, but this dry lube stuff, for parts like this, probably not the best plan. Some of you probably already knew that, but so what I will do instead, this is white lithium grease, and I know this works. Even if it's a little messy. Oh yeah, that's the trick right there. Alright guys, so she seems to be functioning much more gooder. So bit of a pain in the booty, a little bit of dirt on the hands, but I think the trouble will pay off. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. See ya.